We're gonna do another Valentine craft today. So here's this set. I'm using the love that was right here. There you go. We're gonna do another heart. I know I did a heart last week, but we're gonna kind of do a mixed media type heart today. I got this little piece of, I don't know if it's muslin, it's just a little scrap piece that I had in my stash. And I'm putting the love stencil on here. I'm gonna have to do it the long way. I don't have my iron with me. What I do is you take a pen, a marker, whatever you have, and just, let me know. I think that'll work. Just mark into these little dots there. Just put a pen mark or right in those dots. You can use a marker. Alright, so you need like a B7000. We're just going to go ahead and put these rhinestones. I'm using the ruby rhinestones. Alright, that wasn't too bad. So we have love on here. So what we're going to do is we'll set that aside for a minute while we work on our heart over here. And this came from the Dollar Tree, I think. I'm pretty sure. So what I'm going to do is we're going to crackle this. Like I said, it is going to be a mixed media. I'm going to use burnt umber on this. I'm going to pour a little bit of this in here. So I'm just using this Folk Art Crackle Medium. Alright, we're going to give this a dry. Okay, I'm just using the Waverly in the color Plaster. I think it will. I don't think I'll mess anything up. I don't know. No, I'm willing to try anything. Okay. Like I said, this came from Essential Stencils. It just looks like it's worn and torn, I guess. So we will go on. So luckily I cut all this out. This is just a piece of burlap, and I think I'm just gonna put this on here. Let's put it on with some Fabri-Tac. So far we have that. And then I've got this piece of teaking material that I got, I think from Hobby Lobby. I don't know. I've had this in my stash. I thought I wasn't going to put this on, but I think I am. Because I think I want some more texture on here. So this is just cardboard, y'all. It's just, see, I just removed the, I think, I wasn't going to use it, but I think I am. We're going to use that for some texture. And all I did was rip one end of it. I just ripped it. Let's You want to put this down first, but I decided to use it here at the last minute. I want some more, a little bit more texture. Take I'm going to take this chippy brush and dip it in some of that plaster. Doily I got from my good friend Lucia, gave me this. I'm going to keep it intact. It's kind of, it's not, I don't know. Anyway, I'm just going to keep this intact, and I think I'm just going to put that right there. Layering. Oh, I'm so sorry, Michelle. Okay, we're almost done. So I got this piece of burlap. It is like frayed on both ends. We are going to place that right there. Hold up. So I got another piece of cardboard, and I'm glad I already had this one painted. So I got another little piece of card. Y'all use your cardboard. You can do so much with cardboard. So I painted this Flamingo Red by Apple Barrel. Just a piece of cardboard. And we are going to put that right in there. Actually, you know what? I think I like this. So, we will, yeah, this little thing's going to go in this pocket right here. I'm going to put a little Sorry Silk bow. But we have to have our love. What did I do with our you know, see these little, I don't know what you call those. Anyway, I got these from a pack of these from, I think, Hobby Lobby. I think Hobby Lobby, I don't know. But anyway, in the sewing section, I think you get these. I'm not sure, y'all. Anyway,